Hi everyone. I am here today with my golden retriever, Thor. These captions aren't working right. Can I help you? This camera hog. Thor, can you back up, please? Okay. BRB. Okay. Today's topic is about service animals and support animals and the current culture surrounding those. I've worked with many people with disabilities throughout the process of getting and using a service or a support animal. And for people who actually legitimately need these animals, it's a lot of steps, it's a lot of thoughtful decision making, it's a lot of time, effort, and money that goes into it. And they're willing to make that commitment in all of those areas so that they can live a life with a similar independence level of a person without a disability. So when you fake having a service animal, you are disrespecting people who not only have never wronged you, but just want to live in the world you live in and the world that you take for granted. And I get it, because my pets are super cute. You saw my dog, he's the cutest. But I don't need a service animal. So if I don't want to leave him, but I'm hungry, I eat at home. Don't mistake unintentional harm as no harm. If you unintentionally harm a community of people by your actions, you're still harming that community regardless of your intent. Please keep that in mind. And people with disabilities, if you're looking for assistance or resources on service or support animals, let me know. I'd be happy to help.